apples golden, cherry so bright. A yummy dessert, but not for every night. Let's write the letter U, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital U with a curve so round. Lowercase u with a small bend down. U is for upside down cake. Flip, flip, flip. Learning letters in a zip. Desserts are fun, but here's what we say. Eat healthy foods for most of the day. Fruits and veggies make us strong. A little cake won't steer us wrong. The letter U is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital U with a curve so round. Lowercase u with a small bend down. U is for upside down cake. Flip, flip, flip. Learning letters in a zip. Healthy choices help us grow. Let's write the letter U just so. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter U is next in our ABCs. Capital U with a curve so round. Lowercase u with a small bend down. U is for upside down cake. Flip, flip, flip. Learning letters in a zip.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.